A single missed server backup during peak tax season can erase weeks of client payroll data, forcing your team to reconstruct records by hand. That's not just a technical headache, it's a direct threat to your revenue and reputation. You can't afford to assume, "It won't happen to us." As Matt Elias says, true business resilience comes from treating backups as a frontline defense, not a last-ditch recovery tool. For companies handling sensitive data, even one missed backup can create compliance violations and erode client trust, something no insurance policy can restore. The real test of your backup strategy isn't whether your data is stored, but whether it's actually recoverable when disaster strikes. With 53% of organizations admitting their data isn't truly secured, immutable, or easily recoverable, the risk is real. Relying on primary storage or setups with no backup-specific security leaves your business wide open. Attackers are targeting backups, and most attempts to compromise them succeed. So what's the solution? It's not about adding more tools or vendors. Instead, a single vendor end-to-end approach closes gaps and ensures accountability. But backup alone isn't enough. You need to run regular restore drills, simulating real disaster scenarios, to prove you can recover quickly without disrupting daily operations. For a deeper dive and practical steps to modernize your backup approach, read the full article on the Outsource Solutions Group website and add this to your Spotify playlist.